Very nice.
Wow.
This is a circle drawing board. It will help you draw circles instead of using a compass.
Super, it made a oval approximately. Yep.
My board's name is EEnovator and it has brushes so it skips the
Tejas.
So my board's name is Pivot and it's used for simple toys.
Okay. Neil.
Plain. My board's name is Highbot. It is used to clean. It is used to collect metal like
From the
screws
highways.
and nuts on highways. So it's called Highbot.
Okay, great, great. Let us start all of your boards together.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, that spider is behind that board, huh? Spider gone. Make sure that the propeller do not kill each other. Okay. Stop.
Offense.
Stop.
We are here adding the material. Here. Per layer, we are adding the material. And castle. If you have designed, we can make the castle. If you have designed, whatever castle or
Making wool, huh?
It's getting a bit dirtier.
Oh yeah, this is so cool.
That is laser.
Dirtier floor.
Using laser.
We'll dust it, don't worry.
Using holes.
I know you can't be sure it's the dust or
It's
what.
making the whole